What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new nighttime drive. Today you join me inside the 8v2 Audi RS3 and we're just gonna take it for a quick drive around the waterfall area and enjoy the symphonies of the 5-cylinder motor. So this car actually belongs to Drive Through ZAR. Do check out the Instagram. That's the official Instagram page for the car and the owner of the car. And yeah, he does post some cool content of the car, some nice drives around different areas of the country. So yeah, let's get into this POV. So standard procedure, we're driving in RS dynamic. Let me just make sure that we're in dynamic mode, individual, comfort, auto, dynamic, and then manual mode. So yeah, I think this will be a very beautiful drive around here. So second time I'm actually doing a nighttime drive around here. Let me just do a launch control sound for you guys. That always sounds so cool. It's one of those cars that you can never get used to and you can never mistake it. You can always hear it from far away. You can always identify it from far away. Nice lesson here. Yeah, that's that sounds so cool. So we've experienced this car a couple of times on the channel, and just hold on. The last time was like a few months ago. And it's one of those cars I think are the best purchases right now, especially when it comes to value for money, where the cars are priced at the moment. I think anywhere from like high 600s to like 900k thereabout, depending on year, model, and mileage. So the best ones to go for are actually the 2017s and 2018s. I think this car is a 2017. It's one of the two, or 18. Simply because they don't have the OPF filter, so they sound the best. The sound is not restricted in any way. very fast. Oh my goodness. Yo. Jesus, there is no way. This car stock is extremely fast. Yeah, and the funny thing is, it even launches harder than the newer one. I don't know why, if maybe it's the calibration of the all-wheel drive system or what, but it is so violent the way it gets up to speed, or off the line rather. I still can't wrap my head around that launch. It was just so violent. Oh my word. So yeah, I think, I don't know, man, it's just so tough to pick the new one over this one, because this older one is still so good inside and out. Even when it comes to tech, like, you still get the digital instrument cluster and everything you'd ever want in a modern car, like this car has. Ride comfort is amazing. Like, it's so good inside out. Jeez, man. And the performance is just, it is still so mind-bending. And I like this older style instrument cluster, because you get these very cool shift lights, as you can see now. So I think it looks cooler than on the newer ones. So I think today's video is all about the drive, literally. So I'm trying as much as possible to avoid commenting or talking in the video. So I think let's drive for another 2 to 3 minutes or so, and then we'll call it a night. 515. So yeah guys, that is it from me to you with this night drive, and until the next one, that's cheers from me.